How to make popcorn chicken. Popcorn chicken is a delicious and popular snack that is easy to make at home. Here's a simple recipe for homemade popcorn chicken. Ingredients: 1 pound, 450 grams, boneless, skinless chicken breasts or thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces, 1 cup, 240 milliliters, buttermilk, 1.5 cups, 180 grams, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, half teaspoon black pepper, half teaspoon paprika, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon onion powder, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, optional, for extra heat, vegetable oil, for frying instructions, 1. Marinate the chicken, place the bite-sized chicken pieces in a bowl and pour the buttermilk over them. Stir to ensure all the chicken pieces are coated in buttermilk. Cover the bowl and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes, or up to overnight for best results. The buttermilk helps tenderize the chicken and adds flavor. 2. Prepare the coating. In a shallow dish or bowl, combine the all-purpose flour, salt, black pepper, paprika, garlic powder, onion powder, and cayenne pepper, if using. Stir until well combined. 3. Coat the chicken. Remove the marinated chicken from the refrigerator. One piece at a time. Remove the chicken from the buttermilk and dredge it in the seasoned flour mixture, shaking off any excess. Place the coated chicken pieces on a plate or baking sheet in a single layer. 4. Heat the oil. In a large skillet or deep fryer, heat vegetable oil to 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius, over medium-high heat. You'll need enough oil to submerge the chicken pieces. 5. Fry the chicken. Carefully add the coated chicken pieces to the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Fry the chicken in batches if necessary to ensure even cooking. Cook the chicken for 3 to 4 minutes, or until golden brown and cook through, turning occasionally for even browning. 6. Drain and serve. Once the chicken is cooked and golden brown, use a slotted spoon or tongs to remove it from the oil and transfer it to a plate lined with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Repeat the frying process with the remaining chicken pieces. 7. Serve warm. Serve the popcorn chicken warm with your favorite dipping sauces, such as barbecue sauce, honey mustard, or ranch dressing. Enjoy as a delicious snack or appetizer. Tips: if you don't have buttermilk, you can make a buttermilk substitute by adding 1 tablespoon of white vinegar or lemon juice to 1 cup of milk and letting it sit for 5 to 10 minutes until it curdles. Feel free to adjust the seasoning to your taste preferences. You can add more or less salt, pepper, or spices to the flour mixture. For extra crispy popcorn chicken, you can double coat the chicken by dipping it back into the buttermilk and flour mixture after the first coating. Be careful when frying the chicken to avoid splatters and burns. Use caution and appropriate kitchen safety measures when working with hot oil.